Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm putting on some press-on nails to do a photo shoot and I'm going to film the process. This is how I keep my press-on nails on for 2+ weeks. So if you're interested in seeing how, keep watching. These are the nails. Let's get into it. Okay y'all, so I actually have these nails right here that I made a few months ago. I'm going to tag the video that I did when I did like Pinterest inspired nails. But this is one of the nails that I did and it's simple. I just did silver and then silver metallic. Then I took and did silver metallic on top of the silver metallic with gold. Okay, girl. So I am going to start by taking the nails off of the little board. If you're looking for a way to keep your nails done all the time, I really love this method of doing press-ons and just like making some in advance and taking them off boards. And by the way, I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos leading up to my birthday. And then I'm going to show like the final results of everything, my hair, nails, makeup, and I'm gonna drop that video on my birthday. I'm also gonna make a cake, so I think I'm gonna record that video as well, like my first time making like a pretty vintage shaped cake. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now I'm gonna push my cuticles back, and really the key to making nails last as long as possible, press-on nails last, is to make sure your nails are really prepped really good. Like that's the key. It matters what you do before, how the nails last. So just go around and push all of your cuticles back and make sure you get your sidewalls too, like push them all back. If you don't push them back, you can get lifting because your cuticle could, you know, make it lift easier. So now I'm just going to take a mini mandrel and then I'm going to use this like sanding band and just dust off the top shine off my nail. And then I'm also just pushing that cuticle back a little bit more and really getting under my sidewalls really well. Just make sure there's no oil that will lead to lifting. This is a really cute, like, I really use this bit a lot. It's so small it can get into the spots that you need them to get into without cutting yourself because you have more control over where you're going. So I really love this mandrel. And then I'm using my Melody Susie drill as always. Now I'm going to take some alcohol. I use 70%, but I know some people use 90%. 70 works for me, so I'm just going to put some on a paper towel. And then I'm going to wipe off all that dust and just get my nail even more dry. Anything that helps dry your nail out and prep it is better. So, and I also keep this paper towel handy because I use it later on if I have glue that's running down the side of my nail and I need to wipe it off. I use the paper towel with the alcohol on it. So now I'm just going to take my nail dehydrator and I'm going to put that on all my nails. Usually I might go like one hand at a time. Like I'll put one on one hand and then I'll go ahead and glue on those press-on nails. And then I'll do the other hand just so I can do it relatively quickly and not have time for like, you know, any oil to build back up. Now I'm going to take my Makartt nail glue. I really like this nail glue. I used to use KDS and I still have some, but I just have been using the Makartt lately and I like that one. Also, I want to mention before you go ahead and do this, I have already sized out my nails before I put them on the board. But make sure you size your nails and like shave the size down because you want them to fit really good. You rather them be too big than too small, and then you can just shave down the sides and make them fit your nail sidewall to sidewall. That's important. If they're too small, they'll pop off. If they're too big, they'll pop off. So make sure they fit. So I've already done that, and then also go in and sand the back of the nails off. So you can use your mini mandrel or a file or whatever you have and just dust the back of the actual press-on nail off just to get even more dryness going on. And then I like to hold my nail most times like in a downward motion and put the nail glue on there because that way if it starts to run, it'll run down and then it'll give me time to put the nail on. And then I just line the nail up and lay it down from a 45-degree angle. And I like to hold it for at least 30 seconds. More if you have the time, but I like to hold mine for at least 30 seconds just to make sure it's really stuck on there. And like I said, if you have any glue running from the sides or underneath your nail at this point, just grab the napkin and wipe it off with the alcohol. And most of the time I'm impatient to start on the next nail, so I like to still be holding down my thumbnail, and then I'll go ahead and take the glue and put some of the glue on my next nail, still holding my finger downward. And put a generous amount. Like sometimes they're not sticking because you're not putting enough glue. So just put a generous amount, but not too much where it's out the sides. But I'd rather put too much than not enough. All right, and here are the finished nails. I think they came out so cute. I really love the silver and the gold mixed together. Really cute to me. Like I said, make sure you stick around if you want to see the final video of how I took my birthday pictures, what they turned out like. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Mahogany Diane, because I'm going to post all the photos over there. March 15th. Pisces season. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.